Foshan Jopper Machinery Company Limited was established in 2014 and located in Foshan City, China. We are a designer and manufacturer of a variety of steel pipe making machines, concentrating on research and development, design, production, sales, and supporting services. The company implements modern management and the introduction of precision mechanical processing equipment, focus on continuous innovation, product quality, and after-sales service. And it let us gain a large number of loyal customers. We have exported to Africa, Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and other countries. The tube regions of decoration, automobile, sanitary ware pipe, and other industries medium to a wide range of application. Our main products: pipe making machine, high-frequency tube mill, inside welded bead removing machine, inline annealing machine, polishing machine, slitting machine, pipe embossing machine, and roll sets, providing customers with professional factory planning solutions and turnkey projects. We are committed to exploring the technology research of stainless steel pipes through increasing technological improvement to help the welded pipe production factory provide a budget, design, planning, manufacturing, sales, installation, and other integration solutions. We have professional engineer teams for local installation and maintenance service, providing local machine checking with more than 100+ sample projects. Sun City Sheet, 568 steel. We also provide online tube running testing before shipment. All 100% quality guarantee with free parts replacement. We hope that we have an opportunity to establish a long-term, mutually beneficial business relationship based on win-win cooperation.